Hello everyone, welcome to MindBlend. You may believe that intelligence is a fixed trait established during youth and remains constant thereafter. However, research indicates otherwise. The way we handle situations and engage in activities to nourish our brains can markedly enhance our mental capacity. This doesn't necessarily require a substantial investment of time and energy. It could involve returning to education, or simply adding profound subjects to your book collection. Here are 10 daily habits that will enhance your intelligence. 1. Diligent in reading books. Certainly not surprising, but the predominant answer is clear: reading is undeniably crucial. While opinions differ on the optimal brain-enhancing reading materials ranging from cultivating a daily newspaper routine to embracing a mix of fiction and nonfiction, there's unanimous consensus that the quantity of reading matters. 2. Do something new randomly. Shane Parrish, from the Farnham Street blog, shares the story of Steve Jobs attending a calligraphy class during his time away from school. Although it seemed irrelevant then, the design skills he acquired played a crucial role in shaping the first Macs. The lesson is that you can't predict the future utility of experiences. You just have to try new things and trust that they will connect with your life later on. Jobs emphasized that connecting the dots is possible only when looking backward, urging people to be open to trying new things, even if they don't appear immediately useful. 3. Playing brain-boosting games. Engaging in board games and puzzles not only provides enjoyment, but also serves as an excellent mental workout. Xie recommends playing various games such as Scrabble, Bridge, chess for an advanced cognitive challenge. Try enhancing your working memory by attempting to play without glancing at the board. Azula Altucher echoes this sentiment, suggesting playing Scrabble without relying on hints or reference books. 4. Ask if you don't understand. Albert Einstein emphasized the importance of understanding by stating, "If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough." Quora posters echo this sentiment, suggesting that true learning involves teaching others. Xie advises, make sure you can explain it to someone else. Student John Packles expands on this, recommending that one should stick with new information until they can explain it to a friend. It highlights the significance of not just acquiring knowledge but also retaining and sharing it. 5. Learn a new language. Certainly, you don't have to achieve rapid fluency or travel abroad to become proficient in the language of your preference. You can consistently make progress from the convenience of your desk and still enjoy the cognitive benefits. Saloy recommends, explore a new language using various free websites like LiveMocha or Buzu. Personally, I favor memorize once you've grasped the fundamental mechanics of a new language. 6. Take note of what you have learned. It's not necessary for your reflections to be elaborate or lengthy, but dedicating a few minutes each day to jot down what you've learned can undoubtedly enhance your cognitive abilities. Yoga teacher Claudia Azula Altucher recommends a daily practice of writing 400 words on your learnings, emphasizing its positive impact on brainpower. This sentiment is echoed by Mike Xie, a research associate at Bayside Biosciences, who advocates the simple act of documenting your learning experiences. 7. Take some time to rest. It comes as no surprise that Azula Altucher, a committed meditator, advocates creating room for your mind to assimilate newfound knowledge. In her words, engage in daily moments of silence. However, she isn't the sole advocate emphasizing the importance of taking breaks from mental stimulation. Rick Bruno, a retired police officer, suggests allocating time solely for contemplation. He personally quiets the inner dialogue during his exercise routine, stating, "I contemplate various matters while I run, almost every day." 8. Utilize online media as a learning tool. Online breaks can offer more than just social media scrolling and cute animal photos. Explore valuable learning resources like online courses, TED Talks, and vocabulary building tools for a mentally nourishing break. Prioritize enriching content over mindless scrolling, recommend many responder. 9. Create a list of things that have been done. Boost your intelligence, confidence, and happiness by creating a done list. Rather than focusing on what you have yet to do, take a moment to appreciate and list all the things you've already accomplished. This practice is recommended by influential figures like VC Mark Andreessen and Azula Altucher. Celebrate your achievements with an I did list to highlight your accomplishments and enhance your positive mindset. 10. Making friends with intelligent people. Surround yourself with intelligent individuals to boost your learning. Hanging out with people smarter than you may challenge your self-esteem but accelerates your growth. Saurabh Shah advises keeping smart company, emphasizing that your IQ is influenced by those you associate with. Developer Manas J. Saloy echoes this sentiment, advocating spending time with tech leads to continually learn and maintain humility. Embrace the idea that learning is ongoing and be open to acquiring new knowledge. Here are the 10 daily habits that will enhance your intelligence. If you enjoy videos like this, don't hesitate to like, comment, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss the next interesting video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.